Welcome to Rentometer, your fast, reliable tool for accurate rent estimates in seconds. Whether you're a landlord, investor, or property manager, Rentometer helps you stay competitive and avoid costly guesswork. Today, I'm going to show you the fast and easy way to run a Rentometer quick view search. Step 1, visit rentometer.com and sign into your account. Once logged in, simply enter your property address, select the number of bedrooms, hit check rents. That's it. Rentometer instantly analyzes millions of rental records to show you average rent, median rent, and 25th and 75th percentile, plus the number of comparable properties and search radius. Easily compare your property on a map. Orange is your property, green represents lower end rents, blue for mid-range, and red for high-end. Want to refine your results? Hit Edit Quick View Search. Filter by things like number of bathrooms, building type, square footage, and more. Once you've set your filters, hit Check Rents again to update your estimate. For a deeper dive, press the green View Pro Report button below to get historical rent trends, detailed rent comps, and helpful public record data. If you want to analyze comps in a spreadsheet, you can press the blue Download Comps button below. With Rentometer, you can confidently analyze deals, set competitive rents, and boost your returns, all in just a few clicks.